Did you know that eating too many chia seeds can actually be harmful? It's true. While often marketed as healthy superfoods, both chia seeds and flax seeds come with potential dangers if consumed in excess. These tiny seeds pack a nutritional punch, but it's crucial to be aware of the risks associated with overconsumption. In this essay, we'll delve into the hidden dangers of overeating chia seeds and flax seeds. Stay tuned for a special tip on how to enjoy these seeds safely. Chia seeds and flax seeds have gained immense popularity in recent years, celebrated for their impressive nutrient profiles. They are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, antioxidants, and essential minerals. These nutrients offer a wide range of health benefits, from supporting heart health and digestion to reducing inflammation and improving blood sugar control. However, like any food, moderation is key. While a sprinkle of chia seeds on your yogurt or a tablespoon of ground flaxseed in your smoothie can be beneficial, overdoing it can lead to unpleasant and potentially harmful side effects. Let's uncover the hidden dangers lurking beneath the surface of these seemingly innocent seeds. Join me as we explore the potential risks of overeating chia seeds and flax seeds, empowering you to make informed choices for your health and well-being. Chia seeds, those tiny black and white seeds that form a gel-like consistency when soaked in liquid, have taken the health world by storm. But don't be fooled by their size. Overeating chia seeds can lead to a range of digestive issues. The high fiber content, while beneficial in moderation, can wreak havoc on your gut if consumed in excess. One of the most common side effects of overeating chia seeds is bloating. The soluble fiber in chia seeds absorbs water in the digestive tract, which can lead to gas and bloating, especially if you're not used to consuming a high-fiber diet. But digestive issues aren't the only concern. Some individuals may experience allergic reactions to chia seeds, ranging from mild skin irritations to more severe respiratory problems. If you notice any itching, hives, or difficulty breathing after consuming chia seeds, it's essential to seek medical attention immediately. Furthermore, chia seeds can interact with certain medications, including blood thinners and blood pressure medications. If you're taking any medications, it's crucial to consult your doctor before adding chia seeds to your diet. Flax seeds, with their nutty flavor and impressive nutritional profile, have long been touted as a health food. However, these tiny seeds harbor a potential danger: cyanide. Flax seeds contain a compound called amygdalin, which breaks down into cyanide when consumed. While the amount of cyanide in a typical serving of flax seeds is generally considered safe, consuming large quantities, especially in their raw or unripe form, can lead to cyanide poisoning. Symptoms of cyanide poisoning include headache, dizziness, nausea, and in severe cases, seizures and even death. But cyanide isn't the only concern with flax seeds. The high fiber content, while beneficial for digestion in moderation, can lead to digestive distress if consumed in excess. Bloating, gas, diarrhea, and constipation are common side effects of overeating flax seeds. Additionally, flax seeds contain lignans, compounds that have estrogen-like effects in the body. While this can be beneficial for some individuals, it can also be problematic for those with hormone-sensitive conditions, such as breast cancer or endometriosis. While the potential dangers of overeating chia seeds and flax seeds are real, it's important to remember that moderation is key. These seeds can still be part of a healthy diet when consumed in appropriate amounts. The key is to enjoy them safely and responsibly. So how much is too much? As a general rule of thumb, it's best to limit your intake of chia seeds to 1 to 2 tablespoons per day, and flax seeds to 1 to 2 tablespoons of ground flaxseed per day. Here's a special tip to maximize the benefits and minimize the risks of consuming chia seeds and flax seeds. Always grind flax seeds before eating them. Grinding breaks down the hard outer shell, making the nutrients more easily absorbed by the body and reducing the risk of cyanide poisoning. You can buy pre-ground flaxseed meal or grind them yourself in a coffee grinder or food processor. By following these simple guidelines, you can enjoy the nutritional benefits of chia seeds and flax seeds while minimizing the potential risks. Remember, listen to your body, and if you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and consult your healthcare provider.